Hey friends, hi and welcome back to this channel. Does your mouse lagging and you don't know how to fix it? Then this video is right for you. Okay, today we are going to undergo 3 steps, and the first step is to search for device manager here at the bottom search bar. Okay, let's click open. Okay, so once you are being redirected to this window, you need to search for mice and other pointing device. Click that and then hit the arrow here to see or to view the mouse that you are currently using in your laptop. Just do a right click and then update driver. Okay, so here it asks you what do you want to search for drivers. You just have to click this so that the Windows will search for your computer what's the best available driver and install it into your device. Okay? So once you're done with this step, we are going to proceed to our second step, which is to search for mouse settings. Let's click open. And once you are being redirected to the mouse settings, as you can see here, scrolling direction, and above that is scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. You just have to turn it off and then turn it on again. Okay? Once done, you need to close this and proceed to our third step, the last step, and the very important one, which is to search for Task Manager. Okay, click on Open. Okay, here, as you can see, it has these functions. You need to locate for startups and then click on that. And here, what you are going to do is you're going to identify those applications that you don't need anymore in your startup. So as you can see here in my status, these are all disabled. And except for this Microsoft Edge and then Windows Security because I still need this, okay? So if you happen to see Cortana here at the list applications, you need to disable that, okay? So once done, you have to restart your computer by selecting this. Okay, let's close this first. You need to restart your computer and then you'll see the magic. Your mouse will not lag anymore. Okay, hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated onto our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.